Hello and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. And today on the Magic Roundabout, we've got one for our good friend Opar, who passed away last year. Rest in peace, brother. So lest we forget him. This is a tribute build for him. It was any midge toy or what was it? Tootsie toy. Sorry, yeah, excuse me. So the only one I've got is a midge toy. I've been saving this for a bit now. So we're going to get this off the Magic, get it on the bench, and have a look at it and see what we're going to do with it. Okay, here we are then. Yeah, all it's got written on it is Midge Toys, Rockford, Illinois, USA. So I don't know what it is. I'm sure something might be able to tell me from the front end. Could be it could be anyone. Could be a Ford, I don't know. It could be anything. So yeah, we're just going to give it the one colour. I'm not going to go too crazy with it. Cause it is a midge toy, an old one. I'll give it a nice colour. I haven't got any fancy wheels to put on it because I haven't got many of the Hot Wheels and stuff like that, so I can't really put fancy wheels on it. But it's out of respect for Opar. He's a good guy. And I know he's missed in the community. It's been a year or thereabouts, bless him. Man down. So we're going to do this. So I'm going to get this wheels off. And I think they should be fairly straightforward to get these off. If I can. One way or another. I did have a look to see if I could get them off before. One way or another. Let's see. Sure I had these buggers off once before. I pushed it through there. I think last time it came off. Yeah. So I get these. Let's try the back ones. On. Yeah, there we go. Right, that's the back one off. We should be able to get that off easy enough, hopefully, without breaking a post or anything. Yeah, I've ground these down actually, but obviously not enough. Obviously not enough. There you go. Should be off now. There are only plastic wheels on here. They're only plastic. So I'm just going to finish grinding that off around there so I can pull that out because I don't want to snap the post off. Okay. Then we'll get it in a stripper. Get it all polished up and see what we can do with it. Here we go. Got all the paint off, and take long. This is going to be very difficult. This detail on the front here is flat. Just basically just flat. So I don't know how we're going to do something with that, but it won't be white. I've got a colour in mind. Excuse me a minute. Yeah. And I've decided to change the wheels on this as well. I actually found an Hot Wheels and I got these black wheels, so I'm hoping they're going to go up under there. Yeah, look pretty funky in Opar style. Okay, right, so now primer and paint, and I'll see you when I've done all that. Okay, we're done. Unfortunately, I did get carried away. I painted it and I was painting something else at the same time, and I thought, oh, and I got carried away and I forgot to film it. But there wasn't much to film anyway. This is the green. This is a lime green on here, and these are the wheels. These are from a Hot Wheels. I didn't put a thicker axle in. I just kept the thinner one because when it sits on the ground, it's fine. These are Hot Wheels of some sort of car. I can't remember what it is now. Detail wise, I just went with a Martell pen for the bumper and a normal silver paint for the lights. I didn't want to do that grill because I think if I tried doing a grill, I think it would have spoiled it because it's very flat. There's not a lot of raised detail in there. And I did the same with the back, just put a chrome pen along the back there. So I think that's subtle and effective. So let's get it on the Magic and have a look at it. This is what we started with. A Midge Toys pickup truck. I don't know what it's, a Ford or Chrysler, I ain't got a clue. But it's definitely a Midge Toys. So this is what we started off with. So now, have a look, see how it came out. Have a look at this. Okay then, here it is. All done and dusted. This is my tribute to Opar, who passed away last year. And we used to call him the Tootsie Toy King. So any Tootsie Toy or Midge Toy was the choice for his tribute for this year. Did one last year when he died. I've done one this year, and I'll probably throw my hat in the ring every year. So I should look out for another Tootsie Toy or a Midge Toy between now and then. So, well, this is for you, old mate. I hope you like it. And well, that's all I can say really. Sad news that the old guy's gone, but it happens to us all in the end. Right, catch you on the next video. See you later.